Okay, good morning all of you. We are discussing about the balancing of redox reactions. So yesterday we seen about the what are the types of the redox reactions we see. Today we will discuss about the balancing of redox reactions. See, under balancing of redox reactions we have two types of balancing we have. One is ion electron method. Ion electron method means by adding ion and electron we are balancing the equation. Again, under ion electron method we have two ways. One is acidic medium balancing, another one is basic medium balancing. Actually board point of view is a very important question, but competitive is also very important thing. Listen carefully. Another one is oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. Yes, we have two techniques. We have, first of all, we will discuss about ion electron method, that to acidic medium. So first of all I will explain about the how to balance the redox reactions under ion electron method. Under acidic medium we are discussing. Acidic medium. For each one I think we have 3-4 questions we have. So first I will explain one by one. Under acidic medium the first question is, see carefully how to balance and everything we will discuss. See, permanganate oxidizes sulfite to sulfate in acidic solution. He will ask the question like this only: balance the redox reaction of permanganate oxidizes sulfite ion into sulfate ion in acidic medium. This is the question. Okay, first of all, what should be done? So first of all, read permanganate ion oxidizes sulfite into sulfate in acidic medium. So first of all, step one by one we have to do it. First step is nothing but writing of a skeletal equation. Skeletal equation means what chemicals is involving, first we have to write down. So permanganate means, do you know, it is coming from, I will explain some way here, potassium permanganate. KMnO4 will be there. How it is breakdown, you know? Yes, K plus MnO4 minus will be there. Okay, now MnO4 minus is calling as a permanganate ion. So means MnO4 minus is oxidizes sulfite. Do you know formula of sulfite? SO3 2 minus. Oxidizes into SO4 2 minus. In which medium? Acidic medium. So whatever Mn will be here, that will be converted into Mn plus 2 ion. This is the skeletal equation. Write down beside it, it is nothing but skeletal equation for the given information. Okay, next step, we have to write down the oxidation number of each and every constant particle in the skeletal equation. What is the oxidation number of manganese here, do you know? So find out here X. So how many oxygens is there? 4 are there. 4 minus 2 is minus 8 is equals to minus 1. Then X is equals to coming plus 7. So manganese oxidation number is plus 7. I want to find out the sulfur oxidation number here taken as X, and 3 minus 2 is minus 6 is equals to minus 2. Then we are getting X is equals to plus 4, means sulfur oxidation number is plus 4. Do here also sulfur oxidation number is X, 4 will be there, 4 minus 2 is minus 8 is equals to minus 2, then X is equals to plus 6 is coming right down on its top. What is the manganese oxidation number on product side? Apparent charge on the particle only calling as its oxidation number, we can write it as plus 2. Okay, first we written skeletal equation, next write down each and every constant particle of oxidation number on its top. Next what has to be done, which chemical undergoing oxidation, which chemical undergoing reduction, we have to identify. Check it here, manganese oxidation number changing from where to where, write down, manganese oxidation number changing from plus 2 to plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2 means value decreasing. So oxidation number is going on decreasing. Oxidation number decreasing means the concept is calling as reduction. Now come to sulfur. Sulfur oxidation number what happening? Plus 4 to plus 6. Plus 4 to plus 6 means value increasing. Oxidation number is going on increasing. Oxidation number increasing means the phenomena is calling as oxidation. First we written skeletal equation, next we written each and every constant particle oxidation numbers, next we are identifying which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction. So now the whole equation dividing into two off parts. That's only we are calling ion electron method is also calling as off reaction method. Okay, now I will divide this one into two parts. So first of all write down is nothing but reduction of reaction, reduction of reaction. We are making them into two off parts, later we are adding them, you are getting final equation. Another one is oxidation of reaction, oxidation of reaction. So what is the reduction of reaction? Yes, MnO4 minus converting into Mn plus 2. Oxidation of reaction means is nothing but SO3 2 minus converting into SO4 2 minus. Okay, now what has to be done? So after dividing into off reactions, okay, first step we have to balance other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So other than hydrogen and oxygen, first step. So here what is the special or other than hydrogen and oxygen? Manganese will be there. Manganese here how many are there? One is there, here also one is there. That's why write down here MnO4 minus converting into Mn plus 2, manganese is balanced. Manganese is balanced, or other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms is balanced. After balancing other than hydrogen and oxygen atom, we have to balance the oxygen atoms. Listen carefully. Now here how many oxygen atoms is there? 4 oxygen atoms is there left side. Now right side, is there any oxygen atom? No oxygen atoms. No oxygen atoms. Now we want which one? Oxygen on right side. To balance the oxygen atom should add a water molecule, means each water molecule gives one oxygen atom. You want how many oxygen atoms on right side? 4 oxygen you want. That's why we should add 4 water molecules should be adding. Okay, after balancing other than hydrogen and oxygen atom, we have to balance the oxygen atom by adding water molecules. MnO4 minus converting into Mn plus 2 plus how many should add? 4H2O. What should be written here? Oxygen balanced. After balancing oxygen should balance the hydrogen. You are doing in which medium, Amma? Acidic medium. Yes, that only we are doing here. In acidic medium, to balance hydrogen atoms should add H plus particle coming from acid. Okay, now check it here. So right side how many are there? 4 2s are 8 hydrogen atoms is there, but left side no hydrogen atoms is there. Now we want how many hydrogens on left side? 8 hydrogens. That's why I should add 8H plus. Then write down here MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Now check it. I think hydrogen atom is also balanced. Hydrogen atom is also balanced. Okay, later we can see all these things. Now we have to check it. That things only. What is the equation? MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. That only we got, no? Yes. Now hydrogen balanced, oxygen balanced, manganese balanced, everything is balanced, but now how to do? Charges has to be balanced. Observe very carefully. One or two problems, practice carefully, then you can get it very easily. Now charges has to be balanced. What are the charge on this one? -1. Okay, each hydrogen carries how much? Plus 8 hydrogen carries plus 8. Finally left side charge is plus 7. Come to right side. Right side charge is how much? Plus 2. Water carries any charge? No charge. That's why right side is coming plus 2 charge. Left side we have plus 7 charge. How to make it balance the charge? By adding a electron. By adding electron means, you see very carefully, every electron indicates -1. Remember, electron negative charge, each electron indicates -1. Now you should add electron. Where and how many? Yes, here we should add 5 electrons should be adding. 5 electron means indirectly -5, nothing but plus 2 is remaining. That's why left side and right side charge will be balanced. We have to write down finally MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O, given equation number 1. Now do same thing. What we done? First of all, we have to balance the other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Later we have to balance the oxygen atom by adding water molecules. How many oxygens you want, that many water molecules should be adding. To balance the hydrogen atom, next we should add H plus particle in which medium? Acidic medium. After balancing everything, we should balance the charges by adding electron. Every electron indicates -1. We did. Now come to this one. Okay, what is the first step? We have to balance the other than hydrogen and oxygen. What is the other than hydrogen and oxygen? Sulfur. How many are here? 1. Here also 1. Balanced. Write down sulfur atom is already balanced. Sulfur is balanced. Now next step, we have to balance the oxygens. Now right side, left side how many oxygens were there? 3 oxygens is there. Right side 4 oxygen atom is there. Left side how many shortage? 1 oxygen shortage. 1 oxygen means should add 1 water molecule. Yes, very good. We are taking SO3 2 minus plus H2O gives rise to SO4 2 minus, which is balanced. Hydrogen is balanced. Okay, after balancing, oxygen is balanced. After balancing oxygen atom, what should be balanced? Hydrogen by adding H plus particle. Left side how many hydrogens will be here? 2. Right side we want 2. To balance the hydrogen atom, should add which particle? H plus particle should be adding. Yes, that's why I write down what, how many requires? SO3 2 minus plus H2O gives rise to SO4 2 minus. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. That's why should add 2 H plus particle should be adding. Now hydrogen balanced, oxygen balanced, and sulfur is also balanced. Now how to balance the charge? Write down here hydrogen is balanced. After that, left side charge, the whole species carries -2 charge and water carries 0 charge. Anyway, left side charge is -2. Right side -2 charge is there, and each hydrogen carries +1. Like that, 2 hydrogen carries +2 charge is there. Right now right side 0 charge is there. There 0 charge, here -2 charge is there. How to make it balance? Adding electron. How many electron? 2 electron. On which side? Right side, because electron means -1. Should add 2 electrons here. Write down after correction what we are getting here. SO3 2 minus plus H2O gives rise to what you are getting? SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus 2 electrons we are getting. Equation number 2 we are getting. Okay, now this is the off reaction, this is the off reaction, we have to club them, then you are getting whole reaction. Before coming whole reaction, what has to be done? So one target has to be done. In the reduction, how many electrons is consuming? In the oxidation should get same number of electron. Is it coming equal right now? No, but I have to make it equalize. There's only meaning how many electron lose to that many electron has to be gained in the reaction. That's why here 5 electron is gained, but here coming only 2 electron. We have to do some multiplication we have to done. So then how many electron lose, that many electron has to be gained. For that what has to be done, anybody? Yes, I will do one thing. Equation number 1 into 2. Okay, with this coefficient we have to multiply this equation, with this coefficient we have to multiply this whole equation, then we are getting 10 electrons, 10 electron equalize. How many lose to that many gained? Okay, equation number 1 into 2 means 2MnO4 minus plus 2 8s are 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise to 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O we are getting. I want to do some multiplication on equation number 2 into 5. What we are getting? 5SO3 2 minus plus 5H2O gives rise to 5SO4 2 minus 5 2s are 10H plus 10 electrons we are getting. Now this is the reduction off and this is the oxidation off. Together is calling as whole redox reaction. That's why we have to club them. Means we have to add them. While adding, left side should add, right side should add. Now do it. We are getting 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus, here 10 electron left side, here 10 electron right side, with respect to arrow mark cancel. Okay, after that we are getting 5SO3 2 minus plus 5H2O gives rise to right side chemicals, 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O plus 5SO4 2 minus plus 10H plus we are getting. Still some common terms is there left and right, we have to simplify. Write down. One more thing, what we are getting, final equation this is 2MnO4 minus, here 16H plus is there, here 10H plus is there, better bring it to left. 16 minus 10, 6H plus 6H plus SO5SO3 2 minus, here 5 water molecule left side, right side 8 water molecules is there, better bring it to, send it to right side. Then what you are getting, 2Mn plus 2 as usual, 8 minus 5, 3H2O plus 5SO4 2 minus we are getting. Write down here, this is the balanced redox reaction. Balanced redox reaction. Check it, everything will be balanced. 2 manganese, 2 manganese, 6 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens, 2 4s are 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15, 23. Check it here, 3 1s are 3 plus 5 4s are 20 over 5 sulfurs, everything will be charged, including charges. Yes, check it here, how much charge? Each one carries minus 1, 2 minus 1s are minus 2, each one plus 6 means plus 6. Each one minus 2, 5 minus 2s are minus 10. Then we are getting, so minus 12 plus 6 means is nothing but minus 6 is coming. Comes to right side, what you are getting? Each one plus 2, 2 plus 2s are plus 4. Each one carries minus 2 charge, 5 minus 2s are minus 10. So we are getting minus 6. Left side minus 6, right side minus 6, everything will be balanced. Both left and right side, this is calling as balanced redox reaction. So very simple. So under balancing of any redox reaction under acidic medium, first we should balance the other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Next we have to balance the oxygen atom. To balance the oxygen atom should add water molecules. How many oxygens you want, that many water molecule has to be added on deficient side or shortage side. To balance the hydrogen atom should add H plus particle in acidic medium. Later we should balance the charges. For balancing of charges we should add electrons. Every electron means minus 1, like that according to requirement we should add the electrons. All of you clear? Yes. Now under balancing we are learning right now only off reaction method or nothing but ion electron method under acidic medium. We done first balancing. see carefully. Another balancing reaction we can see. Second balancing of reaction in acidic medium. Acetylene. Acetylene means formula C2H2. Reaction with permanganate ion MnO4 minus gives rise to CO2 plus Mn plus 2. He mentioned balance this equation in H plus medium means acidic medium. This is the question. What has to be done? So first of all, already given skeletal equation, we have to write first step oxidation state of every constant particle in the reactants and products. I want to find out the carbon taken as X. How many are there? 2x. Each hydrogen plus 1, 2 hydrogen plus 2 is a neutral molecule, that's why is equals to 0. Then we are getting X is equals to minus 1. So carbon oxidation number is minus 1. Already we calculated manganese oxidation number is plus 7. You can get it here, carbon oxidation number X, 2 2s are minus 4 is equals to 0. Then X is equals to coming plus 4. Write down here plus 4. Your oxidation number plus 2. Second step is over. Skeletal equation over and oxidation numbers is over. Third step, which is oxidation, which is reduction. Check it here. Carbon oxidation number changing from where to where? Minus 1 to plus 4. Minus 1 to plus 4 means oxidation number is going on increasing. Oxidation number increasing means is calling as oxidation. Okay, now manganese oxidation number changing from plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2 means oxidation number decreasing. Plus 7 to plus 2. Oxidation number decreasing, called as reduction. This is very important. Let us split the equation into two half parts, oxidation parts and reduction parts. I am doing that thing only, see carefully. First I am doing a reduction of reaction. What is the reduction reaction? Yes, that one. MnO4 minus converting into Mn plus 2. First you have to make it balance. So first of all, what has to be done? We have to balance the other than hydrogen and oxygen. What are the other than hydrogen and oxygen? Manganese. How many are here? 1 and 1. That's why I write down here manganese is balanced. Manganese is balanced. Later we have to go for balancing of oxygen by adding water. Left side how many oxygens is there? 4 are there. But right side is there? No. That's why we want 4 oxygens on right side. 4 oxygen I want right side means I should add 4 water molecules. Write down here MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. What is balanced here? Oxygen is balanced. Oxygen is balanced. After that we have to go for balancing of hydrogen. Left side is there any hydrogen? No. But right side how many are there? 8 are there. 4 2s are 8. For balancing of hydrogen in acidic medium should add H plus particle. How many should add? 4 2s are 8. 8H plus. Right on. Next step is nothing but MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O, which is balanced. Hydrogen is balanced. Are you clear? Yes. Okay, everything is balanced right now, but we have to balance for charges. Now how to balance is a very important thing. You have to observe carefully. What are the charge on whole space? Minus 1. Every hydrogen plus 1, 8 hydrogen means plus 8. Together plus 7. Right side coming how much? Plus 2 plus water 0. Anyway, plus 2 charge is there. Left side plus 7 is there, right side plus 2 is there. What should do? Should add electron. Okay, each electron minus 1. Where we should add? Here we should add. How many should add? 5 electrons should add. 5 electron means minus 5. 7 minus 5 is nothing but plus 2. Balance. Charges also balance. Thus why should add here MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Write down here charges balanced. charges balanced. Okay, give the equation number 1. Write down second half is nothing but oxidation of reaction. What is the oxidation of reaction? Yes, take it, C2H2 gives rise to CO2. Okay, first we should balance other than hydrogen and oxygen. What are the other than hydrogen and oxygen here? Carbon. Left side how many carbons are there? 2 carbons is there, but right side only 1 carbon is there. Sir, I will write here C2 means meaningless. CO2 is the formula, only you have to change the coefficients. Then what will come? C2H2 gives rise to 2 CO2 we are getting, then carbon is balanced. Carbon balanced. After balancing carbon, we have to go for balancing of oxygen by adding water. What has to be done here? See carefully. Left side is there any oxygen? No. Right side how many are there? 2 2s are 4 oxygens is there. 4 oxygen means we want 4 water molecule on left side. Do this one, we are getting C2H2 plus 4H2O gives rise to 2 CO2, nothing but oxygen balanced. Don't forget writing of this one. We have to that evaluator has to be understand what you are doing. Okay, next. Now hydrogen is has to be balanced. Check it here carefully. So 2 hydrogen plus 4 2s are 8. So here 2 hydrogens plus 8 hydrogens together. Left side we have 10 hydrogen. But is there any hydrogens here? No, 0 hydrogens is there. To balance hydrogens, what should we add in acidic medium? H plus particle. On where? Right hand side. How many? 10 H plus particle has to be adding. Write down that is only C2H2 plus 4H2O gives rise to 2 CO2 plus 10 H plus particle has to be adding. So means hydrogen is also balanced. Hydrogen balanced. Hydrogen balanced. Next we have to go for balancing of charges. So what has to be done here? Whole charge on this molecule is 0. Water is also 0. Finally we have left side 0 charge. Come to right hand side, the whole charge is 0. Here each hydrogen plus 10 hydrogen means plus 10. So anyway, finally left hand side we have plus 10 charge. How to make it balance? We should add electron. Where? Right side. How many? Plus 10. Why? Because every electron this one. That's why we are adding 10 electrons we are adding on right side. 10 electron means minus 10 together is becoming 0. Left side 0, right side is also 0 is coming. That's why we have to write down here C2H2 plus 4H2O gives rise to 2 CO2 plus 10H plus 10 electrons is coming is equation number 2. Check it, everything is will be balanced. Okay, now what has to be done as a final step? Reduction reaction we have, oxidation reaction we have. In the reduction reaction we are getting how many electrons? 5 electrons. Mugitri? 5 electrons, and here we have 10 electrons. Last step is what has to be done? We should make it equalize. So that's why what I will do, equation number 1 into 2. Do it. Equation number 1 into 2 has to be done. Equation number 1 into 2 means is nothing but 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise to, okay, C2H2 plus 4H2O plus 2 CO2 plus 10H plus 10 electrons. Now in this equation number 1 we have 5 electron, in that second equation 10 electron. What is the concept? How many electron losing, that many electron has to be gained. Okay, now 5 electron, 10 electron. How to make it equalize? This equation into 2. Do it. Equation number 1 into 2. The whole equation multiplied with 2, we are getting that one. Equation number 2 as it is. Why? Because already 10 electron is there. Write down here plus 4H2O gives rise to 2 CO2 plus 10H plus 10 electrons we are getting. Add it. Why? Because we separated, no, again we are clumping them. You are getting whole redox reaction we are getting. Take it here, we are getting 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus Here 10 electron, here 10 electron, left and right cancel. After that, what you are getting? C2H2 plus 4H2O gives rise to 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2O plus 2CO2 plus 10H plus we are getting. But still in this equation some common terms is there left and right, we have to simplify. Okay, here final equation write down 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus, here 10H plus, better bring it left. 16 minus 10, we are getting 6H plus plus C2H2. Here 4 water molecule, here 8 water molecule, better send it to right side. Then what you are getting? 2Mn plus 2, 8 minus 4, 4H2O we are getting, plus 2CO2 we are getting. Check it, everything will be balanced. 2 manganese, 6 plus 2, 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. How many oxygens? 4 plus 4, 8, and we are getting 8. Everything will be balanced. Are you understanding or no? Yes, this is a very important thing for understanding, for balancing of redox reactions. Just I will tell you one more, this one. I will tell you one more thing. See carefully. Third balancing equation under acidic medium. Ferrous Fe plus 2 is involving in the reaction with dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus, converting into Fe plus 3 plus Cr plus 3 we are getting. Is the third balancing equation. Are you getting or no? Yes. See carefully how to balance this equation. Already given skeletal equation. First we have to get it oxidation numbers. Its oxidation number is plus 2. Okay, here oxidation number 2 is, see it carefully, x 2x, each oxygen minus 2 minus 14 is equals to minus 2. Then x is equals to coming plus 6. Minus 14 come this side, plus 14 plus 12 by 2 means is nothing but plus 6. Here oxidation number apparent charge only plus 3, here also plus 3. Next step, what has to be done? Which is oxidation, which is reduction. Iron find out here once. Oxidation number changing from plus 2 to plus 3. Oxidation number is going on increasing. Oxidation number is increasing, called as oxidation. Okay. Here oxidation number changing from where to where? Plus 6 to plus 3. Plus 6 to plus 3 means, is it calling as a decreasing oxidation number? Oxidation number decreasing. Oxidation number decreasing means is called as a reduction. Yes. Now what has to be done? Split down into two halves. First I will explain about the oxidation of reaction, or write down reduction of reaction only. I think is very simple. Reduction of reaction. What is the reduction of reaction? This one. Cr2O7 2 minus converting into Cr plus 3. Do it carefully. First, what has to be balanced other than oxygen and hydrogen? Other than hydrogen and oxygen means what? Chromium is there. Left side how many chromiums are there? 2 are there. That's why right side also has to be get 2. For that what I am doing, right side multiplied with 2, we are getting 2Cr plus 3 we are getting. Chromium balanced. Next step, we have to go for balancing of oxygen. Left side we have 7 oxygen, should get right side 7 oxygen by adding water. How many? 7 water molecules should add. Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Oxygen is also balanced. Now how to balancing of hydrogens? Left side is there any hydrogen? No. Right side we have 7 2s are 14 hydrogen. To balance hydrogen in acidic medium should add H plus. How many? 14. Do it. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O we are getting. Everything will be balanced. Now how to balance the charge? Now whole charge here -2, each hydrogen plus 14 hydrogen plus 14 together plus 12 is there on left side. Right side, each chromium plus 3, 2 chromiums plus 6. How to make it equalize? This is only do it carefully. Right side plus 6 is there, left side plus 12 is there. How to make it equalize? By adding electron, every electron -1. So should add here 6 electrons. 6 electron means -6, then remains plus 6 and plus 6 balanced. That's why what we are getting, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O is equation number 1. Take it a second off. Oxidation, you check it out, everything will be balanced. Oxidation, what is the oxidation? Yes, Fe plus 2 converting into Fe plus 3, very simple. Already ions balanced, no oxygen, no hydrogen, everything will be balanced. Only balancing of charge is required. Left side how much charge? Plus 2, right side plus 3. How to make it equalize? By adding 1 electron. 1 electron means -1, then plus 2 and plus 2 equalize. That's why oxidation, Fe plus 2 gives rise to Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron, equation number 2. Next, 2 reactions has to be added. Before adding, what has to be done? In the first reaction we are getting 6 electron, in second equation 1 electron. Okay, by multiplying we should do something. Just I will tell you. So what has to be done to make it equalize the electron? We should do multiplication. Which equation multiplied with which number? Yes, first equation 6 electron, second equation 1 electron. Better second equation into 6. Do it. Equation number 2 into 6. What we are getting? 6 Fe plus 2 gives rise to 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 electron. Is there any changes in the first equation? Not requires. Why? Because already 6 electrons is here. What is that one? Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O, I think. Just once you check it. Yes, 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Now 2 off reaction should be adding. What you are getting? Add it. 6 Fe plus 2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus, left side 6 electron, right side 6 electron cancel. Then we are getting 6 Fe plus 3 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O we are getting. Is there any common terms on left and both side, right side? No. Is it already balanced? Check it here. 6 irons, 2 chromiums, 14 hydrogen, 7 oxygen. You want to check it charge? Yes, check it. 6 2s plus 12, and here charge is -2, here charge is plus 14. Nothing but plus 24 is the left side charge. Right side 6 3s 18, 2 3s 6. Water no charge, here also plus 24 is coming. Is it clear? So acidic medium balancing is over. Tomorrow we can see basic medium and oxidation number also. Thank you.